Hi YouTube, this is JeepTeeJay. Today I'm going to show you the complete process, step by step, on folding the top down and putting it back up. The first step is to untuck the top from the channel above the driver and passenger windows. To do this, you will grab the edge and pull down while rolling the lip from under the channel. In this close-up, you can see how the lip slides out from under the window channel. For the second step, unclip the visor and move it off to the side. Then lift up to release the latch holding the top to the window frame. After it's unclipped, close the clasp again, making sure the catch is outside of the frame. If you have the optional Sunrider top, you will have these plastic sleeves that need to be slid forward to expose the hinge in order to use the Sunrider feature. Now the top can simply be folded back. The next step is to release the Velcro holding the window to the sail panel and unzip the window from the bottom to the top. Next, you will pull out the window zipper out of the top zipper channel. Then, you will slide the front of the window out of the door surround channel. Finally, remove the window from the vehicle. Before removing the back window, the first step I recommend is to pull the sail panel out of the body channel. This will provide better access to the zippers. Next, starting at the passenger side, unzip the window completely around to the driver's side. Sliding both zippers all the way down, lift up on the window to remove it from the zippers. Grabbing the tailgate bar, rotate slightly down and outward to remove it from the tailgate mounts. The window can now be removed. If you have the Sunrider top, you will have these spring-loaded pins that need to be pulled out in order to release the frame. With the sail panels folded over the top, start to lift the top from the front and slowly bring it towards the back. If you have the Sunrider top, make sure the sleeves are slid back. You will need to watch and make sure the material gets folded smoothly between the bows. While one person can do this job, it is a lot easier with two people. Putting the top back up is definitely more of a task than taking it down, but it can be done with one person. I recommend starting at the back and working around the side while holding the bow to keep it from falling. Lifting the rear bow at the same time can be especially helpful if the webbing that holds your bows together has broken. Reinstall the rear sail panels by slipping the tabs back into the channels and folding it down. It may be needed to adjust the positioning by sliding after they're installed. To start the side windows, attach it to the Velcro first to help hold it in place. Next, insert the end of the zipper into the slider, then zip up the window a few inches. Once the window has been partially zipped, insert the front of the window into the door channel, starting at the top and working towards the bottom. Next, insert the tabs at the bottom of the window into the channel, working from front to back. The last step on the side window is to zip the window the rest of the way down. You may find the tabs on the window interfered with the rear tabs. You can fix this by sliding the rear tabs backwards a bit. When installing the rear window, I once again recommend loosening the sail panel for better access to the zippers. Install the tailgate bar by placing it into the tailgate mount and rotating down and inwards. Insert the zipper through both sliders. Then hold down on the window side while you zip up the top slider. Once you get it started, you can continue to zip the window completely up. If the zipper gets tight towards the top, you can gently press down on the top bow to help get the window zipped. Reinsert the tabs above the doors by sliding under the channel and rotating down. Relatch the header to the window frame by lifting up inserting the catch into the frame and then closing the latch. Last step, guys, relatch your visor and fold it up. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I was able to help some of you all out. If you have any questions, please comment and I will answer as many questions as I can. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as I have plenty more how-to videos coming soon. Thank you all.